Vancouver's not known for its museums. Our art gallery is almost in its current location. Our Marine Museum, our Science Museum, Space Museum, but tucked away on the UBC campus, maybe half an hour drive from downtown, so it filters out a lot of tourists, is one of the best museums I've ever been to in my life. And this is the Museum of Anthropology right here, I'm out in front of. And it's been closed for more than a year for renovations and opens in 2 weeks on June 13th. So book your next trip. Out back behind the Museum of Anthropology are some longhouses and totem poles that will be open to the public once this place gets going again. But while I'm here, I just want to tell you a hilarious COVID story. It's so weird. I shake my head thinking about it. Just days before COVID hit Vancouver, a new organization started here called Ethos for Youth, a youth organization, science-based, STEM-based, STEAM-based. Right at the time of COVID, they were offering a March break special camp for teens that was funded by Microsoft, and it was going to be all about, I don't know, science. I can't remember, it was a while ago. And then COVID hit and the whole thing was canceled, and Ethos went online and became an online presence during COVID and a really important resource for our daughter, who would meet with them by Zoom every week. And then things, calmed down, and they had their first in-person event. And I walked into the event, and everybody in the entire room except our daughter was black. And I thought, this is interesting. There's not many people who are black in Vancouver. It's a small population. And as the evening progressed, I started to suspect that, well, maybe this is actually a black youth group and we never really noticed, which was the case. And Ethos is a great organization that does focus on black youth, and was very happy to accept our daughter as a member. She's still a member this many 4 years later, and she's inside the Museum of Anthropology right now, putting together a special exhibition that's opening in August. I cross my fingers. With the rest of the Ethos youth group, they are presenting 4 new cultures that they've created themselves that are Afrocentric, but they also include other cultures. And there's a bit of science fiction involved. And I'll report a little more when the time comes. But it's such a crazy story, such a COVID story, that I had to pass it on to you. Okay, until next time.